We're fixing to go out there. It's pretty windy out here. The dust everywhere. Can't even see the mountains out there. Way out there. Just about can't see the Indian Head, and I'm about to get blown away. "30 to 50 mile an hour winds." My little hummingbird mount there kind of fell. Had the hummingbird feeder hanging there. That fell. And we broke one solar panel. Still working. But the glass is broke. Everybody's hunkered down. Dust is in the air. Kind of chilly. There went a hummingbird. Sorry, buddy. Wind blew it down. I got it hanging right there on the car pod. But it's pretty windy. But other than hummingbird feeder and the solar panel, that's our only catastrophe for today. Look at the dust. This is crazy. The dust everywhere. The dogs don't even want to come out today. I'm back here behind the RV. A little less windy right now. But this is the windiest I've seen it out here. Of course, this is only our second season, but not a whole lot of movement in here today. Everybody's hunkered down in the wind, riding it out. Not supposed to be as windy tomorrow, a little warmer. Might be amazing sunset with all this dust in the air, but I probably won't see it. It's too cold. Right here. Very, very windy. I'm about to get blown away. We got everything tied down. I know it's messy. Oh, Scott's chair is about to escape. We gotta go grab that. I thought that was tied down. This has turned into Operation Save the Junkie Chair. Now everything's tied together. I don't don't think anything's blown away yet. Smoker case is weighted down. Wee, look at the dust. Yeah, it's pretty chilly here. We stayed indoors all day doing a little editing. Constant. This, I think, right here is about 30 miles an hour. Ooh, it slowed down a little. But it's cold and windy, as you can see. We went from no shirts, tank tops, and shorts to jeans and winter coats in a matter of no time at all.
Watching Roy struggle. Oh! The door just body slammed him. Yeah, guys.
That was crazy. It's windy out there.
Shoe, world on my shoulder, heart full